I was trying to figure out how to make origami in wood instead of paper. It was about a certain movement quality rather than form. That was the beginning. I was searching for precise and organic, lifelike movement, like a school of fish or a flock of birds. There's something in human beings that when we see that kind of movement in nature, we're drawn to it. I think we intuitively look for it. It's as if we're drawn to explore different qualities of physical and spatial experience. The way I was working was that I repeated very simple units of 2 to 3 cubes. I took these units and mirrored them. I went backwards, up, down, and this way I discovered hundreds of versions of sculptures that could move, fold, unfold. They could open, close, expand, morph. I've designed a system of pieces that click together. With this system, you can build and take apart any of the Ghostkubes that I created. Everything uses the same pieces, so the only limitation is how many pieces you have. It will be available in 2 different sized boxes. The pieces are the same, there's just more of them in the large box. Here's a couple of examples of what you can build with the pieces in the small box. Some is a walking ability or a little trick, like a somersault. With the big box, you can build any 2 from the small box. It also gives additional possibilities, like a machine, or from flat to sphere. Some can expand in size. If this is something you would like to see made, if it's something you would like to have in your hands or give to a friend or family member, this is your chance to contribute. And if you know someone who would be interested in this type of thing, please let them know about this project. Thank you.